Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two keywords research platform, which is Surfer SEO and Similarweb. So let's get started with a breakdown about these two platforms to help you decide if any of these would be a better keyword research option for you in 2025. So to get started, SEO Surfer is one of the best tools for content level keyword research. It's designed for writers, bloggers, and SEO teams who want to create high-ranking content. Surfer analyzes the top result for a keyword and gives a precise data on the keyword usage, content length, structured, and LLP teams. Its real-time SEO scoring and integration with Google Doc or WordPress help users optimize as they write, make it ideal for on-page SEO and blogger-focused strategies. Similarweb, by contrast, is a market intelligence and competitive analysis platform. While it does offer a keywords data, its lens lies in showing you traffic source, audience behavior, top performing website, and rival strategies. It's best for business wanting a big picture view of industry trend, website performance, and the competitive keywords, especially for paid and organic traffic combined. But it lacks the deep content optimization features Surfer SEO offers. And here's the overall conclusion about these two platforms. So choose SEO Surfer if you want to write high ranking content based on keyword data and SERP analysis, and pick Similarweb if you are looking to analyze traffic trends, study competitors, or build a broader marketing strategies. So for keywords research tied to content, Surfer SEO wins, but for market level insights, Similarweb is the better choice on that, and that's it.